Okay, motorized kayak. There's the pontoons. All I gotta do is strap them on. They're on both sides, obviously. I got too short of a strap, but that's no big deal. Motor itself is on a boom, I guess, or a long tiller, a PVC pipe. You get back to the motor, you've got motor on the transom. Oh. So it's hooked here, 2 screws going in that were molded, and I've got the 2 screws for the strap that was molded, and I put this stainless plate across here, and it's on an aluminum plate, so it's pretty solid. I've got the union here to where the motor can tip up and down. I've got this union here to where I can take the tiller off. Probably didn't need that one, but it's there. Cables come out. They're all plugged. Go into the tiller. Battery cable. There's a plug. Goes back to the battery box. Wires go through the tiller to the head, or control, whatever you call the thing, and it slides in this little tray I made. Okay, so you can see the operation back there. See the prop coming around. Whenever you want to turn it on, obviously you just turn it. And it goes. The other way, forward. There it is, full blast. And then I've got the battery box I'm still working on. I got my gauge put in it, tell me where I'm at on charging. I've got a breaker I need to put in it. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Haven't taken it in the water yet though. But you can see that's basically how the thing works. So, got a little bit more tweakage on Donna's. But hers is essentially done. Take him to the water this week.